Hello, I'm back again to Burlington. Let's quickly see what they have here. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it so much. Today I am starting with this very simple tea by Kenneth Cole for just $12.99. This is butter yellow. My camera don't always capture it very well. I don't know why. And we have very simple one by Juicy Culture. Oh my god, colors like this to me very fresh, cool, for $14.99. Interesting. And we have this one. Look at this. Ooh, this looks so cool. And this is $19.99. And this was $69. Interesting. Here is another blouse by the same brand for $19.99. Interesting. Another one, same brand. Okay, yeah, if you like my type of video, thumbs up please. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Your thumbs up motivates me to be showing you all these interesting deals in the store. Thank you so much for your support. And if you want to see the type of handbag they have in the store, keep watching. $6.99, $6.99, $6.99. All right, look what we got here. And also let me know if you want me to cover any section. All right, let me know. Leave a comment. I'll try my best to do that. All right, look at this. Polka dot is all over. If you are all about this trend, come to Burlington for $11.99 by Naughty Girl. All right. The last time I was at Ross, I was I don't know. Their prices was excellent. Right now, I won't even say Burlington is winning. Ross, I got the greatest shock of my life the last time I was at the store. Their prices was so good. If you watch that video, you will understand. It was very good. Okay, look at this. Oh my god, this is so cool. This was $44.50. Today you get it for $14.99 by Tommy Hilfiger. This is cool. Okay, look at this. Okay, I love this color so much. So much. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can get this. This can serve as a good thumbnail. I love that. Okay, and here we have another one. Look at these interesting tees for $12.99. Okay, look at these cropped Michael Kors clean white top for $19.99. Okay, yeah, let's keep getting ready. We are going to handbag section. $10.99. Very clean. Okay, very clean. Okay, let me hang this back. Let's see. Okay, yeah, look at this. This is by Michael Kors. Wear cropped. I'm loving the neutral shade. And this is on sale for just $16.99. And this was $98. What are we talking about? It's a good deal. Come with me to handbag section. Come on. To handbag section, let's see what they have here. I am starting with these black trendy. This is on trend, okay, for $24.99. If you are all about this, come to Burlington. Okay, I got this the last time I was in the store. $24.99. Interesting. And here, I may likely take this black one because I got cream color last time. And here we have this crossbody bag. If you are all about this, Burlington, $18.99. Okay. And we have this bucket bag in column leg by Medingo. This one is $24.99. And here we have this. This is I don't know. This I won't call this shoulder bag. The stripe is not long enough. 17.99 cents. And this backpack, this is big enough for traveling for 24.99 cents. I'm on a hunt for a very good backpack. Traveling actually. And this one, look at this tote bag by Guess for 42.99 cents. And let me show you this. Okay, look, this got my attention with the V at the front for 17.99 by this brand G&G. The structure is good. And the bag is not looking, yeah, it's okay, not bad. Here we have this big one. This is very big by this brand, okay. Good hardware. This was $59. Store price for this. Store price is not on this. Okay, let me hang this back. Hold on. Store price is not on this. I don't know. Okay, store price is 24. Look, 24.99 It's a good size, good price as well. And here is another backpack. Okay, look, 34.99. And GC Culture, I am looking for a good backpack. Yeah, I want to get it, let's say, from Coach to be precise, 24.99. I'm going to go to Coach store for that. And here we have another one. Look at this. Yeah, I love how slouchy. The leather looks so good. And this one is 21.99. If you're interested to see the type of shoe they have in the store, keep watching, don't go away. Okay? And here is this backpack, okay, by GC Culture. It's actually on sale. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Look what I'm seeing here. $10.39. Isn't this cool? What? $10? What? This is a good deal. What? What? $10? Oh my God, that's a good deal. That's a good deal. They have lots of, interesting black bags here. Okay, let me take you to shoe section. Come with me. This is by Nine West. Come, let's go. Okay, to shoe section, we are right here. Lots of new shoes in the store. Look what we got here. Let me grab one. These are very feminine. Look at that. Girly, I love the color. Yeah, I love the color. Look at that. Interesting. I'm loving these. Okay. And this one, store price for these is 20. It's actually $34.99. Okay. And up here we have these sandals. This must be very comfortable. By Nine West for 26.99. All right. And more flats here. Look at this in different sizes. Same price for $14.99. Okay. They have up to size 10. Same price. Okay. Meringo. This one is $17.99 new in the store. Okay, if you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. By doing that, you motivate me to keep showing you all these deals on a daily. This one is in size 10 and $16.99. And here we have this one, look at that, $24.99. And here, this looks like that sandals. This is by Guess, and this is on sale for $16.99. $16.99 in size. No, wait, this is like size 10. Yeah, $16.99. Okay, interesting. And look at these by Anna Clean. Interesting flats. Look at that. And this one is 22.99. All right. Give us a thumbs up, please. Thank you so much. Share. 39.99. Interesting. And here we have this one. Look what we got here. This one is, okay, let me pick the price. It's in size 10 for $17.99. Here is this. I've been seeing this of late, really. Okay, very comfortable platform. 22.99 platform heels. And here we have this one. Look at that for $16.99. Is available in different sizes. Okay, same price. Okay, and let's keep going. Look what they have here. Yeah, interesting ankle straps. Look at the heels. This must be very comfortable. Yeah, it looks really icy. Look at that. Looks good for $14.99. Buy 9 waists. This is what I call good deals. Okay, all right. We are about to end this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Until next time I come your way. Bye for now.